How to delete contacts on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To delete contacts on Android phone, you simply need to first launch Contacts application on your device. Now you can easily scroll and locate the particular contact that you want to delete. After that, tap and hold the contact that you want to delete. And at top right, you will see variety of options, that is here, trash button and three dots. For now, let's select trash icon at top right, and a notification or pop-up message will appear where it says if you want to delete contact. So this contact will be removed from all your sync devices if you tap on delete button and confirm. So let's select delete button, and the contact has already been deleted. Similarly, you can easily delete all other contacts on your Android device. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.